So we're prepping the Jeep out for EJS, Easter Jeep Safari 2019 in Moab, Utah. There's gonna be Jeeps from all over the country out there four-wheeling. And the biggest change we made is we switched out our 40s to some 39-inch BFG Krawler tires. They measured 39.5 inches tall once we got them on the Jeep. They have some nasty side biters on them. I took them out on the road so far, and actually, for how aggressive of a tire it really is, it rode pretty smooth. It wasn't crazy loud or anything like that. I'm excited to give a really good review on them, if we like them or if we don't, and then to see how they work. They're a load range C tire, so it's a softer sidewall for how heavy of a Jeep it is. They'll do quite well. Biggest thing is we're gonna air them down. We're probably gonna start around 10 PSI and then keep dumping them down once we're out there to see how they do and see what we like. If you're going to Easter Jeep Safari and you see us, definitely stop by, flag us down, say hi, take a picture or anything like that. We'd love to meet you. And if you're not gonna be at Easter Jeep Safari, definitely keep track of our social media on Facebook stories and Instagram stories. We'll be having posts up throughout the week. We'll be going live. So definitely keep track of our stories and you can see a lot of cool stuff.